Let's talk about my current favorite beauty products. I am so excited because I haven't done one of these videos in like over a year. So I'm gonna get ready today using all of my current favorite beauty products. Okay, I just went and I did my brows off camera. Listen, everyone's been talking about like blush blindness like on TikTok and stuff. I had brow blindness. I think I still do. Yesterday I was looking up because yesterday I did my lash extensions for the first time ever. I've never gotten them done before and I'm actually like obsessed. I'm so happy with them. But I was looking to get my brows microbladed again because I've gotten them done in the past and they're like $700 and I'm like, is it where the location I'm at? Is it Virginia? But the last time I got them done was California, and California is not a cheap state by any means. I don't remember paying $700 though. I just want to touch up because I don't want this brow blindness. I just want to wake up and look put together, right? But I'm not paying $700 because that's kind of insane. So I went and I did my brows off camera because I don't have any new brow products to talk about. I also did my primer off camera because it's not new. So the foundation that I've been loving lately, and I mean, it's not new on the market by any means, but it's new to my life, I don't know, in the last few months. But again, I haven't done one of these videos in so long. It's the Hourglass Skin Tint. I've been loving more of a light coverage foundation. This is very, very light. It literally just moisturizes your skin. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. It's like a very sheer like glow and it just looks so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. It's very, very thin. I need to mess with the lighting because I'm not sure. I feel like I look a little washed out. I don't know. I'm still using like this new setup and it's not, I don't know. I really don't know. You see, it's just like a beautiful glow from within. It just like boosts it's like your skin but better. I love it. And just for good measure, I love offsetting my like light coverage foundation with a very, very crazy heavy bronzer or contour, cream contour. And this is from OYS. I've talked about this before though, so it's not really in my current favorites. Actually, what I've been using a lot lately is the NARS one that I've had for a couple of years. I love it. When I use this Hourglass foundation, I just love kind of overdoing it with the cream contour and just like offsetting it. I don't know. Seriously, you guys have to trust the process. I know I look absolutely crazy. Just take your time blending it in. I'm taking the same sponge I used for foundation and just kind of like patting it in just to make sure everything like looks blended and seamless. It does take a while though. This is probably my favorite concealer of all time. This is from Milk Makeup Future Fluid Creamy Longwear Hydrating Concealer. As you can see, I need hydrating. I love hydrating. I have really, really dry skin. It is like a medium coverage. It goes really well with the light coverage foundation, but it's not too heavy on the skin and it looks really good under the eyes. So I love it. I just love the way this looks under the eyes. So pretty. And then I put some under this contour to clean it up too. This is actually new, so I'm excited to talk about it. This is from Lunar Beauty. This is the new Moon Prism Liquid Blush. I had to pick these up as soon as he launched them. This is in the shade Fuchsia. I swear I can speak. This is the most gorgeous color. Just look at it. It's perfect for summer. Matches my background. I'm obsessed. It's very pigmented, so I take like 2 dots. It's not as pigmented as the Rare Beauty, I would say, but it does blend out super easily. You do kind of have to work fast though, because if they dry out, then you're going to be stuck with like little dots all over your face. So I just like to go back and forth between each cheek and just make sure that I get it all blended out. So pretty though. Look at how beautiful that blends out. Maybe I do have blush blindness too. Definitely, I've had blush blindness in the past, but I think the brows are just another situation. They're on another level for me. And then I take a little bit on the nose just for that sun-kissed look. I love it. For powder, oh my god. Also from Lunar Beauty, I did pick this up when I picked up the liquid blush, so it's not like crazy old in my collection. Like I've been loving it for months and months and months. I'm not even sure when he launched it. Was it this year or last year? But anyway, it's new to me, but I've been loving it so much. It's so pretty. It goes perfectly under the eyes just to brighten everything and just set everything so perfectly. And the best part is this packaging. Like look at how freaking cute this is. It comes with a little powder puff and then you just open this and there is the powder. As soon as I can open it, there you go. Oh gosh. And it's just so finely milled. It's perfect. I love it. And the puff is so cute. I think this is like a better puff than the ones that I use that I got from Amazon. It is so soft and fluffy. And I just like to press it under my eyes. And then I like to obviously clean up any mess. Put it on my smile lines. Oh, obsession. Obsession. So blurring. It makes everything look perfect. Manny, I believe, does have oily skin. I have dry skin, but this doesn't dry out my skin at all. Love it. It's so pretty. It's just so cute. It just fits right in there, and it's like the cutest packaging ever. Honestly, genius. For powder blush, I've been loving this one from Rare Beauty. This is the powder blush. If you don't like a glowy blush, you will hate this. It's almost a blush topper, but that's why I use it over liquid blush, because it is just so beautiful on the skin. Sometimes you don't need a highlighter with this. I think it's perfect for summer. This is in the shade Happy. I think it matches the liquid blush that I used the best. It just gives you this beautiful glow from within. I love a good glowy blush. I love this. I think it's perfect for summer. It's beautiful. Also from Rare Beauty, I've been loving the Rare Beauty, what is this called? All of the Above Weightless eyeshadow stick in the shade Contentment. So this is, I have all of them, but this is like the most like neutral sort of like kind of taupey. I love one and done eyeshadows lately. That's all I could be bothered to do. It's really just like a grab and go situation. You just apply it all over your lid, blend it out with your finger if you want like a little bit of shine on your lids, and that's it. It's so easy to use. I feel like it's kind of hard to do this now with my lashes, and I'm just so afraid of messing up my lashes. I've already lost like 3 or 4 lashes, which in the grand scheme of things is not a lot, but like I want them to last until my fill. I think I'm gonna be a lash extensions girly, because it's just so convenient to wake up every morning and just be like look put together. I really need to find a place to do microblading next so I could just look even more put together. You see how easy that was? And then I put some under the eyes. Going in with my trusty Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter. I don't think they sell this anymore. I think it was limited edition, or it's just like no longer sold. Anyway, I just want something. This is not part of the video, if you will. This mascara is the best thing ever. I mean, I'm gonna use it on my lower lashes. It's a great lower lash mascara too, but this is the Benefit Fan Fest. Oh my god, I need to buy a new one because this one's drying out. But I'm like, do I really need to invest in a crazy high-end mascara if I have lash extensions now? You know what I mean? But it's a great lower lash mascara anyway. It really does like lengthen, volumize. It does all the things. I used to love the Bad Gal Bang, but then I realized that it really made me have raccoon eyes. This one doesn't do that. It has everything the Bad Gal Bang has, but the wand is even better. It's like a curved wand, and it's not a plastic wand, which I really like actually. So it is so good. I'm obsessed with this. This one's better than the Bad Gal Bang, and that used to be my holy grail. So it is a great lower lash mascara. Man, my skin looks so good. I'm like all dewy and glowy. It's perfect for summer. I'm obsessed. The lip combo of my life. Let me tell you, you need this lip liner in your life. This is from Freck Beauty. Oh my gosh, this is the Makeout Club. I'm obsessed with the name. Nude Muse lip liner. I have the shade 3. It is the perfect like contour, like, okay, I want like the contour ombre sort of lips that were really in like 2016. I love that though. This is a lip liner that will not budge. I think that it could live through an apocalypse. Like, you will honestly have the best lips during an apocalypse. It's better than like Pat McGrath, Charlotte Tilbury. Those are still great lip liners, but this is so good. Like, so good. I will put this on at 9 a.m. and at 5 p.m. still have perfect lips. It is insane. And I do like to fill them in just so whatever lip product I put on top of it, because it will fade, this will withstand that. I promise you. I wish they had better shade selections. I like more cool tone neutrals, and I think they have a lot of warm tones. This might be like their only cool tone, and that's why I picked it. It doesn't budge to the point where I can't even like blend it together. But I love it. And then another lip product I've been loving, this is the Hourglass. What is this called even? It's in the shade Crave. I think this is the it's like a plumping sort of thing. I love the shade Crave because it's like a perfect for summer sort of thing. And this combo, so pretty. Look at that. It gives you like the most juicy lips. It reminds me of like the 90s. This is like a red pinky tone with a neutral sort of lip liner in the background. The best part about this is that it's not too tingly. This is nice. It's really, really juicy and shiny. It does last a long time, not as long as the lip liner. And when I eat, it's gonna come off. I'm gonna have to reapply, but it's so nice. Look at that shine. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Let me just take out my heatless curls because we're done with the makeup look. I do have a few more things to talk to you about though. I can't find my other like heatless curling rod thingy. This one's okay. It's not my favorite. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it below. It doesn't really curl as well as the other one. Better looking hair than I would have without it, that's for sure. So the final makeup look is done. Let's talk about some other products like skincare, hair care. Let's start with hair care, actually. I have been loving, which one do I start with? I've been loving this Colleen Rothschild Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. This is a mask that I use before I wash my hair. I'll go in with my hair oil concoction that I actually got from, what's her name on TikTok? She does these viral skincare and hair care situations. Anyway, and I put that all over my scalp, and then I will put some rosemary water all over my hair to make it nice and drenched, and then I'll put this on top and let it sit for as long as I can, to be honest. Like in the mornings, I wash my hair in the middle of the day usually if I can, and then so I'll do this in the morning, and then like 3 hours later I will wash my hair, and this really helps. When I don't use this, I notice a difference in my hair. My hair is not as shiny, as soft, as silky, as smooth when I blow dry it when I'm done with my entire hair care routine. I bought another hair mask at the same time. It's from Amico, and it's not my favorite. I mean, it's okay. It does really well if you have dry hair, color processed and all that stuff, but this one's better. It really smooths everything out. It gives you that hydration to your hair back for sure. This next hair care product has replaced my K18 leave-in mask. This is from L'Oreal Elvive. This is so affordable. This is the 8-second Wonder Water Shine Boost. You put this in your hair. It even has like a little measurement thing. You put 20 milliliters, or you can do 40 if you have longer hair, more coarse hair, and it is so good. I notice a difference when I don't use this and I use my K18. Honestly, I think this is better, and this is a fraction of the price. So you leave this in for 8 seconds. You kind of massage it in your hair. It kind of warms up. It's really interesting. It's got a really funky smell, like chemically, and a lot of people hate it, but I love it. Actually, it's kind of weird. I really love the way this makes my hair look shiny, soft, smooth. I again notice a difference when I don't use it. So highly recommend this product. And then we've got some skincare stuff. Okay, Vanny cream. So I got this from Vanilla Swirl on TikTok as well. Her skincare routine went viral. I use this with castor oil at night, and I wake up in the morning and my skin is so glowy and dewy and soft and hydrated. And then I use this in the morning under my sunscreen and all that stuff, and my skin this is the best thing that's ever happened to my skin. This giant tub is so affordable. My skincare is a very less is more situation. I don't use a lot of skincare products because the more I use, the more I break out. It's not good. But this has been so good for my skin, and it's so affordable. I'm so glad that I bought this. It's free of dyes, fragrance. There is no masking fragrance. There's no parabens. Nothing. It's a very natural sort of cream, and it does wonders for my dry skin, so I absolutely love it. A really bougie thing in my skincare routine are these disposable towels. These are the, what's it called? The Clean Skin Club. They're disposable towelettes basically. And so the idea behind them, so why use, it says it on the packaging, why use clean towels? Regular towels can be much dirtier than you might think. Clean towels were invented to provide a more hygienic way to dry your face and elevate your skincare routine. If you struggle with tons of acne and breakouts, you need to use these. You might think they're bougie. I used to think they're bougie. I used to see girls on TikTok using this and like, why are they using this? This is so bougie. It's so unnecessary. But to me, these are much better than using a regular towel. Now you can use a washcloth, like a white washcloth that you literally put to wash after every single use. You can do that and reuse those, but honestly, these aren't that expensive for what they are. This is a 50 pack, and I think it was like $15. It's not too bad. They're very thick, and they don't feel like coarse on the face. That was my like fear going into this. Like I was like, oh, what if they feel weird on the face? No, they don't feel weird on the face. They're perfect, and I love them, and I think that you should try them out, especially if you struggle with acne. When I get a pimple, it's like the world knows. So I tend to use this because I don't want any extra bacteria on my face. Let me quickly talk about gua shaing. Let me go grab it because this is a terahertz gua sha, and it comes in a little pouch, which I lost the other strap to, but whatever. I got this on Amazon. I will link it down below. The terahertz is really good for fine lines. You could actually just put the actual rock itself, like the actual just the gua sha on your smile lines, on your crow's feet, on your what is this called over here? Anyway, put this anywhere, and it's supposed to help over time. This is something that you do have to do a lot in order to see results. Like you're not going to see results overnight. It's not something like, oh yeah, I gua sha'd yesterday, my face looks slimmer. No, but it really does. You could feel with, especially this one, not just any gua sha, this terahertz gua sha, because I've used other gua shas in the past and they're not as good. So I definitely recommend this one. If you can actually feel the fluid draining from your face, you can feel the fluid being pushed by this to the outside of your face. So I highly recommend it if you have like puffiness in the mornings. Do this in the morning. Do it every day. Do it as often as you can. Sometimes people do it in the shower. Definitely wash your face beforehand. Wash your gua sha, because this can also hold bacteria, and you want to make sure that you're not spreading around bacteria all over your face. This has become a staple in my skincare routine, and I think it has slimmed my face so much, so I highly recommend it. I actually bought this for my hubby for Christmas, but I've been stealing it. This is the O'Keeffe's Working Hands. This is the night treatment, so it's got like a bit of a lavender scent. This is the best hand cream I have ever used in my life. If you have really dry, cracked hands, which I do year round, but particularly in the summer and the winter, like when the temperatures are polar opposites of one another, my hands are so dry. Using this every single night seriously stops that problem. My knuckles are not cracked, they're not dry, my hands are so soft. It is super affordable as well, and I love it. Fragrance of the summer. This is the Kaoli Vanilla Candy Eye Rock Sugar. I love this. So I was a little worried because there was a scent in here. Let me look up the notes because I think that's important. Okay, so the notes are candied pear, rock sugar, and vanilla cream. I would say it's the candied pear that's the most prominent in this. It almost has like the pistachio perfume from them. It's got like that. There's like one kind of strange, funky, like when you first apply it, what's the first, like the first notes that you smell, it's kind of funky, but then when it dries down, the dry down is beautiful. It's like powdery, but also sweet and sugary, and it's the perfect, for me, sweet scent for summer. I love it. I don't think it lasts as amazingly. I do have to reapply it, but to me, like I could throw this in my bag. This is the travel version. I think if you're looking for a nice, like, okay, I could throw this in my bag in the summer sort of scent, this is perfect for you. Okay, that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love talking about my favorite beauty products. I miss being on YouTube. I am going to be at least planning to upload at least one video a week, I hope. Look forward to those. I've got a whole list of ideas going, and I have a whole system going now because I do have a team that's working on my other business now. So I'm so excited that that's growing pretty well and I can focus on YouTube again. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for returning and taking the time to watch. And if you're new here, I really hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.